And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This over here, let's see if I'm pointing the right way, is Gary Vaynerchuk. Pretty much the most famous guy on the internet from all sorts of different areas. And look what he's saying here. If you're not producing 100 pieces of content every single day, you are leaving the greatest opportunity in the world on the table. And when I read that, and probably when you read that, you go, 100 pieces of content a day, how could you even do that? That's impossible. That's like going on Facebook and going, hey, I had a nice sandwich. Here's a picture. Hey, I'm feeling good. Smiley face. How are you going to do 100 of those? That's crazy, let alone in a business affiliate marketing, making money kind of aspect. So this is how you do it. This is called BuzzAgentsAI, and it creates, schedules, and posts social marketing content. So let's get away from Gary and take a look inside and show you what we've got here. The one thing I will mention right off the bat, this is a $37 piece of software just released today. It comes not just the software to create all these things, but also affiliate marketing information to show you how to use this in affiliate marketing, start from scratch, from ground zero. You've got the AI creating content. You've got people coming in off that content and going to your link, to your video, to your affiliate link to make you money. So let's take a look inside. I like this right here. So they talk about this. You basically create an AI social agent. I don't know. Jimmy the Greek. You give it it's a persona that creates and schedules this branded social video content. So you've created your persona, and then here we go. So they're now trained. You train it on your business. You give it your niche, your keyword, whatever, and then you see them create mass unique AI posts and videos from the keyword with variations tech. And the variations, we're not talking about, hey, I'll give you 5 different posts. We're talking about 1,000, all sorts of, like thousands, all sorts of different. And you customize this if you want to. Hey, I want to emphasize more. And then your agents are going to perpetually post the content for you. Put it out again and again. No rescheduling needed, the whole 9 yards. So picture just even what Gary was saying, 100 posts, and then picture it being scattered on a continuous basis, going out to Twitter, going out to, I'm going to ignore all this, more followers, more making money. You're used to scrolling, and they're saying, hey, the more you put out posts in that scroll, the more money you're going to make. Social media, put it out there. And that's him saying, so away you go. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. You can make a full-time income with this because you're getting traffic. And how are you getting traffic? Even if you just get 1 or 2 views, clicks, follows, subscribers, look at that kind of stuff, because you can get people interested in your area. And you can see here, some of this is videos, some of this is Instagram, some of this is all the AI tools. It does everything for you, puts out all the posts, and that's going to blow your mind. And I'm going to let you, there you go. There's BuzzAgentsAI. I'm going to stop there. The link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a really good description there of what it does. Here you go. So instead of bland generic AI posts, this is trained on your business, your affiliate offer, your brand style to create 100% unique content. So here you go. Like I said, you pick your AI agent, you enter a seed keyword or idea. So I don't know, wristwatch jumped into my head, and then they start creating hundreds of unique posts and videos. And the AI agents schedule it, put it out on every social network you choose. And then on top of all this is paint by numbers affiliate training from experts on how to run an affiliate marketing using this AI, with the AI tech doing the heavy lifting. There's some features included here. There is a demo video that's about 10 minutes long, showing you all the stuff it does, how it works. And it really is that straightforward, that the AI creates the post and sends it. It's a $37 piece of software. There's some upgrades. There's a $50 off coupon if you get a bundle deal. And then the upgrades there. And you click either the product box at the top or the link at the bottom, and it'll take you where you can grab this copy, BuzzAgentsAI, create, schedules, and post social marketing content, fresh out today. Amazing. Check this out. Click the link in the video description and go to my site at marketingsharks.com and check out BuzzAgentsAI. Enjoy.